You probably do the same 10 tasks every single day. Copy data from one app to another, send follow-up emails, update spreadsheets. Zapier automates all of it without writing code. In the next 6 minutes, I'll build 3 real automations from scratch. McKinsey research shows knowledge workers spend an average of 2.5 hours per day on repetitive tasks that could be automated. That's 12.5 hours per week, 650 hours per year. Even if you automate half of that, you're getting back an entire month of productive time annually. Zapier connects apps through automations called zaps. Every zap has a trigger, something that starts it, and one or more actions, things that happen automatically. Trigger: a new email arrives. Action: save the attachment to Google Drive and log it in a spreadsheet. You set it up once, and it runs forever. No code, no maintenance. Let's build the first one. Trigger: new email with attachment in Gmail. Filter: only PDFs. Action: upload to a specific Google Drive folder. Then add a row to a Google Sheet with a file name, sender, and date. This takes 2 minutes to set up and handles something that used to eat 15 minutes of your day. Every invoice, receipt, and contract automatically filed. Automation 2. Trigger: new form submission on your website. Action 1. Create a contact in your CRM. Action 2. Send a personalized welcome email. Action 3. Notify you on Slack. This is a 3-step zap that replaces a VA's daily task. Every lead gets the same fast, professional response regardless of when they submit the form. Last one. Trigger: you start a tweet or save an Instagram post. Action: Zapier adds it to your Notion content calendar with a link, a screenshot, and today's date. Content inspiration captured automatically, organized by topic. No more "I saw something great last week, but can't find it." Your content library builds itself. Zapier's free tier gives you 100 tasks per month with single-step zaps. For multi-step zaps, you need the starter plan at $20 per month. Workaround: use Make.com for complex multi-step automations on their free tier, and keep Zapier for simple single-step connections. Both tools work. Use whichever fits your budget. 3 automations, 0 code, hours saved every week. I linked step-by-step setup guides for each automation in the description. Subscribe for a new automation tutorial every week.